Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lots of questions are coming on eyebrows hair transplant surgery, and especially from UK and USA. The ladies are asking about hair transplant surgery because what they think is they think myself as an expert in eyebrows hair transplant surgery. As I have been doing, I may be the only surgeon doing hair transplants on eyebrows in this whole region, India and Pakistan especially. Maybe many people are doing, but this is very important to do hair transplant surgery on eyebrows, because starting from marking to the execution, every step is very important. I have lined up like 18 steps to give a natural look in eyebrows hair transplant on the face of beautiful ladies. This is very important. Beautiful ladies, it is very important for yourself to choose or to select a doctor for yourself for eyebrows hair transplant surgery, especially because this is not a joke, and you cannot go to everyone for this eyebrows hair transplant surgery, because the whole job is on your face. And when the job on face is like on the face is done, everything should be kept in mind to give natural looks to the eyebrows hair transplant surgery. You see in this lady, I have drawn this marking for herself, particularly according to the face of that lady. And she wanted to lift up eyebrow to give a beautiful look for permanently for the future life. So I have drawn a beautiful line for herself, for her future. And other thing is angles in this eyebrow hair transplant surgery matters lots, because at this area the angle is different in this area, and direction as well. It changes from every step to the from head to tail. From head to tail, the angle and direction of each and every hair transplanted on eyebrows changes with if you want to go for perfection. And if you want to go for perfection, you need to choose a good doctor for yourself. I will show you another one like this one. Again, it is very beautifully looking, placed on her face. Very beautiful. These are permanent hair, and look at this. This is beautiful. I have drawn the line from up to this area, then I corrected it according to the distance between the two, and medial canthus and distance from the medial canthus should be equal on both sides. This is very important thing. Look at this. This is very important to mark the eyebrow area. You need to see the angle from medial canthus, the distance from the mid-papillary line, distance from the lateral canthus. Everything matters in doing eyebrows hair transplant surgery. This is not a joke. This is very important topic to do, a very important thing to do hair transplant surgery on eyebrows to give natural looks. So you should be selecting a good doctor for yourself. Don't go to everyone if you want to have a natural look in the eyebrows hair transplant. You see a look on this lady. You see it changes the whole life of every person. Even if it is done bad job, even then it will change a whole life of that person, because it is if you do a bad job, then correction will not give you perfection. You keep in mind. So I would insist to you again and again only on one thing: choose the best doctor for yourself, especially for eyebrows hair transplant surgery. Thank you very much.